Hi guys, today I wanted to go over the S&R Power Channel by ChartPrime. It's a free, easy to use indicator. Sometimes adding loads of complicated tools to your chart is not necessarily a good thing. I see some awful charts in the community. And sometimes going back to basics can be the best thing a trader can do. So this plots automatically support and resistance zones on your chart. We see green, guess what? Support. Pink, guess what? It's a resistance. And the grey middle line is the fair value for the market. That's like the equilibrium zone. So on our chart, we get these X's. Now, these X's are not real time, but that doesn't mean they're necessarily a bad thing. However, these diamonds are real time. So the X's show retrospectively where did the price bounce. And that's quite useful for identifying support and resistance levels. But these diamonds are where the bounce has been confirmed. So these are real time. So the X was plotted retrospectively, but when we saw the bounce off the zone, then the diamond was produced. So these can be used as actual signals. So for example, here we got diamonds. Guess what? They're sell signals. Here we got a diamond. Guess what? It's a buy signal. And the diamond here is a sell signal. So just using it like that can be a really easy way of trading. So here, for example, I'm on the E30 minute chart. We see a bounce, we see a confirmation of a reversal, and we see, hey, the price has seen strong resistance at this level historically. So guess what? We're probably going to come back and retest our support, which is now the equilibrium zone. And using these channels to simply ping pong trade between can be a great approach. So if we were entering a trade here, guess what? We probably want to enter a short trade here. We've seen resistance here, we've bounced down. This is the next logical support. We can see price loves to interact with this level resistance, bounces off of it, bounces against it. Logical target. And guess what? We look for the reaction at this level. If we see a reaction that's in the bullish favor, guess what? We enter a long and we target the upper zone. If we break through it with some conviction, we can add to our short. And guess what? We're going to be targeting the lower buy zone. We also have these simple buy power and sell power indicators and indications. Just generally, the higher the value, the more significant the zone. There's not much to worry about there. But taking these simple zones and using them on your chart can be a great approach to simplifying your trading and giving simple targets. So hopefully this video helped, and I really suggest you guys give it a go.